Exodus is a non-custodial crypto wallet that was built to keep things simple. Now, in this video, we'll be focusing on the mobile version, but it's also available on desktop or a browser extension. And they focus on clean visuals and easy navigation. So if you want a straightforward way to store and manage your crypto without digging through confusing menus, this wallet might be for you. The wallet supports a wide range of assets, including the usual major networks like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and a large selection of stablecoins and chains. And there's also built-in swapping, which lets you exchange one asset for another directly inside the wallet. If you want to earn rewards, Exodus supports staking for certain assets. Available options vary depending on the network, but you'll find choices like Solana, Ethereum, Cosmos, and Cardano. The portfolio dashboard gives you an overview of your balances and overall allocation, making it easy to track what you're holding. Now, for added protection, Exodus works with hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger. So you get the security of cold storage paired with an interface that is easy to navigate. And one thing that stands out is its 24/7 customer support. Now, that's not something that you see very often with non-custodial wallets, so it's definitely useful for new users. Exodus also recently dropped some big news. Its parent company, Exodus Movement, announced a plan to acquire W3C Core in a deal valued at $175 million. If you haven't heard of W3C, they're behind Banks and Monavate, companies that handle crypto cards, payment processing, and other fintech infrastructure. Essentially, this deal will likely open the doors for Exodus to become a full wallet-to-card provider, plus expand where Exodus may operate, with potential access to the US, UK, and EU. Now, let's walk through setting up the wallet on your phone, but the general steps are the same across all versions. First, download the official Exodus app from your app store. When you open it, you'll see two choices: create a new wallet or import an existing one. Creating a new wallet will be the fastest option. Tap Create Wallet and the app will instantly generate a new account for you. From there, pull down on the screen, head to Settings, and look for the Backup section. This is where you'll find your secret recovery phrase. So write the phrase down and, of course, store it somewhere safe. Now, this phrase is your key to the wallet, so make sure only you have access to it. Once your backup is complete, we recommend setting a password or enabling Face ID for added security. If you want to bring in an existing wallet, Exodus gives you several options. Select Restore Wallet and you can scan a QR code, restore from a cloud backup, enter your secret code, or connect to a Ledger device. Choose whichever method matches the wallet that you're importing. Follow the prompts and your assets will appear once the import is complete. Okay, now that your wallet is ready, let's add some funds. The simplest way is to send tokens from another wallet. So tap Receive and choose the asset that you want to transfer. Copy your wallet address, paste it into the wallet that you're sending from, and double check that you're using the correct network. You can also buy crypto directly in Exodus, but payment methods are limited. Right now, purchases can be done with Apple Pay or a debit card through Ramp Network. Once you're funded, let's explore the wallet interface. Your home screen will show your portfolio, which includes your holdings and your watch list. If you drag down on the screen, you'll see more features. One of them is Assets, where you can browse through the list of tokens available on Exodus. There's also a built-in Web3 browser where you can connect to your favorite decentralized applications without leaving the app. If you're into NFTs, Exodus includes an NFT gallery so that you can view your collections directly within the wallet. Okay, let's go over sending, receiving, and swapping. To send funds, find the token that you want to move and swipe right. Tap Send, enter the amount, paste the receiving wallet address, and confirm the transaction. Receiving works the same way. Swipe right on a token, select Receive, and share your wallet address or QR code with the sender. To swap assets, swipe right on a token or tap the two arrows at the bottom of the main screen. Select the token that you want to swap, choose what you want to receive, enter the amount, and confirm the swap. If you're interested in staking, Exodus makes that simple too. Swipe down to access the features menu and tap Staking. You'll see the list of available assets that support staking. So choose the asset that you want to stake, enter the amount, and confirm. Now, each asset has its own rules, so make sure that you read through the details before you start staking. For example, staking Matic allows you to claim rewards directly from your wallet, but staking Sol automatically restakes your rewards instead. And that's a full look at the Exodus wallet. It's a clean, user-friendly option for managing your crypto, exploring Web3, and keeping your assets secure. So take some time to explore the features and customize the wallet to fit your needs. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give it a like. Let us know what you think of Exodus in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more crypto videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.